100 is enough for this. It blows off 110 on the line, but it's blowing off well under that, so that's fine.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know.
Come outside.
I've turned the blower.
When it tell Ken you steamed it, everything looks alright.
I'm about to do a blowdown, so make sure the fire's out in here first. Where is it? Make sure that's gone out. Make sure it's still got a bit enough pressure. Turn the blower off now. I'll just wait for everything to take its pace.
And when you go into stack fold.
The fire is now dead, as you can see in there. Completely dead. Still got enough pressure on the clock, so now we'll just blow it out. Here we go, open the clap valve. Large amounts of steam coming out. A lot of steam in that boiler. We've still got about 30 psi on the gauge, so we're doing well. It's calmed down a bit now, so we're just going to let all the water drain out from the clack, and then we'll let the tender drain out from those pipes down there. It's just leaking water at the moment. The water gauge is reading nothing by now, so there's nothing there. Last bits of steam and air and whatever water's left. As you can see, the steam's completely drained out. There's no more water dropping from there, so now we'll leave the clack open a tiny bit to stop any, let any other leakages come out. So now we'll just unleash those pipes down there, including the hand pump. That is the injector pump feed from water feed from the tender. We've got the axle pump there. That feeds into the boiler, and we've got the axle bypass pump there, which feeds back into the tender.